Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and here we are yet again with another gold forex trading market recap. And we had again one of those good days. As you know, here on this channel we are looking at how gold behaves on the forex trading market and what we can do in order to take advantage of it. So really excited to show you guys what happened today with the XAUUSD gold forex trading market, and also to see what I have in store for you. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I mentioned, we are gonna do another really short and sweet recap on how the XAUUSD gold forex trading market has behaved today. As you know, yesterday was a bit meh, but today it's back on again. Gold has been rallying again all the way to the top. I'm so excited to jump into those charts and show you guys what happened. Okay guys, so you should be able to see on my screen right now the chart for the gold forex trading market. And the first thing that you would notice is the fact that I'm not using your traditional candlestick chart. So basically what you see on the screen right now, it's a very beautiful chart indicator called the momentum trading indicator. And this is a proprietary indicator created by us here at TradeLabs in order to show you guys the best version of the gold forex trading market. And this would basically compile all the data that you need in order to take any kind of decisions in the gold forex trading market and, well, in order to be informed. So the algorithm works behind the scenes, behind this chart that you see on the screen here. It's taking all the data from the normal market day and basically compile it and show it to you in a more cleaner way, a more effective way of telling you how and where to take the trades, because this chart is giving you all the information that you would need in a gold forex trading market. Now, only to explain what you see on the screen right here, these green and red bars are basically the price bars of the market and an indication of how the market is actually moving in this day. And then the red and the green shapes, these are basically indicating the market direction, which if you're new at gold forex trading or forex trading in general, you would need to know that getting the direction right is the first most important thing when trying to do trades in any kind of area, in any kind of trade. If you get the direction right, then you would be great at forex trading. If you won't take the direction correctly, then that's the point where you would struggle a bit at trading forex. The gold forex trading market, as you know, it's a very tricky market to trade in. Especially if you're new at forex trading and you don't know what you're doing, you would need something similar to what I'm showing on the screen right now, basically an indicator to tell you exactly what you need to do and when. And by the way, I didn't mention this. This momentum trading indicator, as powerful as it is already, this is also alerting you, like releasing a sound notification every time the market trend has changed. So for example, here where you see this little blue arrow on the screen, this is the moment where the momentum trading indicator has detected the market trend has changed, and you can clearly and visually see where the market has changed in that specific point. You can see it going from red to green right there at that exact point. At that moment where you see that little blue arrow would be the notification time where the indicator would let you know that it's time to get in on this trade. Just for the sake of this video that we're doing right here, I'm going to show you what I'm showing on the screen right here is the original and traditional candlestick chart, the 1 minute chart. You can see a night and day difference between these two charts and the indicator. You have a bunch of squiggly lines with a bunch of market movements that you don't quite know how to summarize or how to take decisions on, because you can see this is very confusing, like I mentioned, especially for you guys who have just started to trade into the forex trading market. You are looking at this chart and you don't know what exactly is the trend. Instead of this, with just one click of your mouse and with just one indicator, powerful enough to do all of this understanding for you, you would switch from this to this chart. And bear in mind that this is the exact same day in the gold forex trading market with the exact same trends. But this is a lot clearer, and it tells you exactly when to go in and where to go out. So gone are the days where you are looking at a bunch of squiggly lines on your charts and try as much as possible to understand the significance of it and direction of the market and how you should get into that trade. And instead of trying to understand so many trading strategies which are even more confusing, you would definitely have no idea or no informed decision on how to take that trade specifically, which is not what you want when you're getting in the gold forex trading market, and especially in gold in general. Like I mentioned, gold, it's a very, very steep market to get into, especially if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so coming back to the actual market for the gold forex trading market of today, and exactly the snippet that you see on the screen right here, I am so excited to show you guys the potential of this, because it might not look like much, but this was one hell of a trend. I would like to mention that this is just one trend of the many that were happening today. Okay, so back into the details. Like I mentioned, just around 9 o'clock this morning, the gold forex trading market has decided to go up and start rallying to the top. Now, what you are seeing on the screen right here is the exact moment when the momentum trading indicator has indicated of the starting point of a trend change, which is the little blue arrow that you see on the screen. I have also added the green arrow right here just for you to understand, and the indication of the exact moment where the gold forex trading market has started to go up. And again, like I mentioned, this is a really strong signal for you to get into the trade. So of course, if you would had at this point the momentum trading indicator, you'd have jumped right into this trend, and oh boy, would that go crazy. Okay, so now coming back to it, on the other side of your screen, you would notice the actual exit point of where the momentum trading indicator has indicated that the gold market is now going down. So this would be the perfect point for you to get out of this trade, like at this exact moment. Pretty straightforward, right? The exact thing that you would need as a forex trader. So you don't need to waste time watching this chart from morning till night so you can get in and out of trades. You would just come back to it when the actual trend has changed and you need to make a decision or a move. Okay, now coming back to this snippet right here that I'm showing you of the gold forex trading market. Now, if you look only at the potential of this trade, you would be mind blown by what exactly this little green continuous line hides. Considering that we are looking only at the possibility of this trend, you could take the entry point of 1913 and the exit point at just around 1927. So now if you do the math behind those numbers, you would be left with somewhere around 14 points. Now, just for you guys who are new here and you don't know this fact, points are not pips, but it's a really easy way to calculate this number for you guys that I'm going to share with you so you know for reference for the future. Now, if you want to get your pips, the only thing that you need to do is to take the number of points that you have and multiply it with 100. And that's what gives you the number of pips. So in this case, because we are looking at 13 points times 100, that leaves you with 1,300 pips. You heard me right, 1,300 pips. If you transform that into actual currency, this is insane for one trade in the gold forex trading market. Just one, and today have been several ones, like quite a few that you could have taken advantage of, any of them at any point. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful and really good for your trading skills and your trading energy and your trading game and your trading life. Anyway, gold has been acting crazy again today, but it's such a good thing to have a really powerful indicator to help you with this trade, especially in the gold forex trading market. And like I mentioned before, I wouldn't change this indicator for anything in this world. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.